Hi folks, in this video we're going to look at timesing and dividing fractions, which sounds really complicated but it's not. So we're just going to look at fractions like 2 over 3 and 4 over 5. Just random numbers, and we're going to times them together. It's the easiest thing in the world. All we do is times the top two numbers together. 2 times 4 is 8, and times the bottom two numbers together. 3 5s are 15, and that's it. That's how you times fractions. For division you can do the same thing, but it might not divide very nicely, so there's a little bit of a trick for it, and it's all to do with KFC. So let's say if we wanted to divide these two fractions, we've got 2 over 3 divided by 4/5. Alright, so if you remember KFC, those letters, just the KFC, the letters K, F and C, they stand for keep, flip, change. As it happens, that's what they stand for. So we keep the first fraction as it is, keep it as it is. So we can even rewrite it and make sure we're definitely keeping that as it is. Flip refers to the other fraction. We flip it upside down. So instead of 4 over 5, it's 5 over 4. And the C, the change, is the division. We change it to a times. And then you just times, just like we did in the last one, you just times across. So 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 4 is 12. If we want, from there we can simplify. They're both even, so we can say 5/6. So did you know that 2/3 divided by 4/5 is 5/6? That's a weird little pattern. I didn't expect that. I didn't plan that. Anyways, let's do one more example for division, just to make sure that you've definitely got it. If we've got space, there we are. So let's say 7 over 8 divided by 9/10. We want to know how many 9/10 go into 7/8. If you do your 9/10 times tables and stop when you get to 7/8, that's how you do division. Or we can do KFC. Alright, so we keep 7/8 as it is. Very important that we keep the right fraction, well, the left fraction, the correct fraction, as it is. Not the fraction on the right, but the right fraction, as in the correct fraction. So keep the first one as it is. Flip the second one, so instead of 9 over 10, it's 10 over 9, and change the division to a times. 7 10s are 70, 8 9s are 72, so 70 seconds, that's 7/8 divided by 9/10. We can simplify that, we can half them both, 35 36. That is very nearly one whole pizza. And that's it, that's how you divide and times fractions.